This is the Milwaukee battery powered circular saw. We're going to be using this saw outside as we cut some wood for a trim around the door they're working on here. This saw is very useful, highly efficient. It's really nice to not have to worry about tripping over a cord. And we're going to be cutting some wood here real quick so you can see how good this saw works. Flip it over.